Hi everybody, Jimmy D with Clark's Landing. We're here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show showing off the new BENETEAU 52 Monte Carlo. As you can see, they actually changed this a little bit. It has an aft galley. You got your sink, you have your stove down below, plenty of storage up top. Back here on this side, you have 3 refrigerator units hidden behind the nice light oak. Over here you have all your storage for your utensils. This boat actually flows from the cockpit into this area with teak flooring. The other thing you're going to notice with this new style is the amount of window space you have here. The amount of light that comes in, and the size of the windows itself. Also have a TV that comes up out of the starboard side. You have opposed seating. You have tables that have leaves on both sides, so you have more guests who are able to open this up. You step up here, you have your helm station with the dual Garmin systems. You have your captain and first mate chair, and this is powered by the IPS 600 joystick. So please come see us here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show.